Hey, it's Rafe, just doing the Mod 7 reflection. Um, After watching the lecture and reading the articles, I think that online learning is gonna be probably the future of learning due to COVID right now. In the future, could be for different reasons, but as things go right now, I think that online learning is a great way to do distance social distancing at the K through 12 level. Um, I do think it's appropriate for students to do online and set in certain parameters. Um, some parameters like if they have advanced placement or decelerated learning, or the distance from their house, how far it takes. Like, if they have to travel an hour and a half for school, that would be acceptable to do distance learning. Um, I think it would be a good idea to do the completion of the online course prior to high school graduation, because it would allow you to have the option to take online classes in college and not feel so uncomfortable. I do believe that the school should provide the means to do that, as in like a laptop to do that homework on. That way, the students are not forced to buy a laptop. What I learned the most is that from the videos is that the communication between student, teacher, and parent is better through online, because the teacher will always see what's going on in the background while they're doing the Zoom meetings and always hear what's going on, so they know what the student is going through and they can communicate with the parents easier because the parents will be there with the students. Um, my experience with the LMSs was pretty easy. I didn't find it difficult at all. It was pretty straight and to the point. Um, I chose Google Classroom because I did that in high school, and we did I do group projects on Google a lot, so I feel like it'd just be easy to do it on there, and it was pretty easy, self-explanatory. Um, what I like the most about Google Classroom is that it was very easy to navigate. You didn't have to do a lot of extra steps to do what you're trying to do. There was I was able to make some material and then make a quiz for the material I made within like an hour. So it was pretty easy to do. And thank you.